Let us study a new topic, associative property for integers. Associative property for integers. We require at least 3 variables, 3 integers to calculate associative property or to verify associative property. According to associative property, A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. A into B bracket में B into C is equal to A into B bracket close into C. Since all signs are in multiplication sign, so this is associative property for multiplication. This is associative property for multiplication. Now, according to associative property for addition, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Since all signs are addition sign, so this is associative property for addition. Let us consider examples. Let us select two integers for say A equal to 2, B equal to 3, C equal to 4. So according to associative property of multiplication, 2 into 3 into 4 is equal to 2 into 3 into 4. Here the order of multiplication of numbers is changed. But the result is still same. Means according to associative property, order of multiplication of numbers does not affect the result. Order of multiplication of numbers does not affect result. Let us take some more examples over associative property for addition. Two plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9. Similarly, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 9. Means we can add given integers in any order, but the result is same. We can add integers in any order, but the result is same. This is associative property for addition. Key point: order of integers for multiplication and addition does not affect results. Order of integers for multiplication and addition operation does not affect results. Order of integer for multiplication and addition operation does not affect result. Sometime question may ask based on these properties in the form of fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Just tell your answers in comment box. -2 plus -3 4 plus 7 plus 5 plus 7 plus 5. See here are three integers 1, 2, 3 and each integers are operated with positive sign. Left hand side contains 3 integers, so right hand side must have 3 integers. Just add these numbers. The result is 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 4 16. Here result is 5 plus 4 9. So the number remaining is 7. According to associative property, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. So we can say here number is 7. Here number is 7. This type of question may ask in exams. Last point. Subtraction and division of numbers. Subtraction and division of numbers is neither associative nor commutative. Means A minus B not equal to B minus A, or A divide B does not equal to B divide A. Commutative property means if we subtract B from A and A from B, in both cases the result is different. So we can say that order of integers in case of subtraction and division, order of integers in case of subtraction and division change result of operation. Similarly, for associative property, A minus B minus C does not equal to A minus B minus C. Similarly, for division, A divide B divide C does not equal to A divide B divide C. Means in case of division also, order of integers change the result of operation. Order of integers change the result of operation.